In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change microphone on Slack. Fix no sound or mic not working. If your teammates can't hear you in huddles or calls, the most common cause is that Slack is listening to the wrong microphone. I'll walk you through where to change that setting and share a few quick tips so your audio is clear and reliable. Start by opening Slack to the main home view where you see your channels and direct messages. From there, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click your profile picture. That opens a small menu with several options you can adjust without leaving your workspace. In that menu, choose Preferences. Preferences is where Slack keeps all of your personal app settings, including notifications, themes, accessibility, and importantly for today, audio controls. Once the Preferences window is open, select Audio and Video from the list on the left. This section is dedicated to everything related to calls and huddles, so it's the perfect place to fix microphone issues. At the top of the Audio and Video page, find the Microphone option. Click the drop-down and pick the microphone you actually want to use. If you're on a laptop and you also have a USB mic, a webcam mic, or a headset, you'll likely see several choices. Select the device by name so Slack doesn't default to the built-in mic. After selecting your mic, speak out loud and watch for the input level indicator to move. That meter is Slack's quick way of showing that it's hearing you. If the bar reacts to your voice, you're set. If it doesn't, try choosing a different device from the same drop-down until you see activity. A few quick tips to keep you on track. If you don't see the device you expect, it may not be connected or recognized by your computer yet. Make sure it's plugged in or paired, and then return to this setting. If another app is using your microphone exclusively, closing that app can free the device for Slack. And if you're using Slack in a web browser, your browser may need permission to use the mic. Allow access when prompted so your selection works inside Slack. On desktops, keeping your operating system updated and your audio drivers current can also improve device detection. That's it. By choosing the correct microphone in Preferences under Audio and Video and confirming with the input level, you should resolve most no sound or mic not working problems in Slack. Thanks for watching, and I hope your next huddle sounds great.